This is Marryat-Scott land, and it's lift tour time. Now to the first lift, which is an awesome 1960s Marryat-Scott with original lift cab and original buttons. But sadly, the logic's been replaced with shitty Leicester controls. Really annoying, and also it's had a VF mod. But despite this lift's still really nice. So let's ride it. And now to the next lift, which is next to this one. This one's labelled as tradesman's lift, which is quite old. It's like tradesmen and like deliveries, goods go in this lift while residents get to go in the other lift. Quite weird that is. Anyway, this tradesman's lift is really awesome. This is a 1960s swing door Marryat-Scott, and it's completely original with original lift cap, original buttons, original logic, and it is still single speed. Yes! Let's ride it!
It's a 1960s Marryat-Scott swing door lift, labelled Trades Lift. This looks so awesome and looks completely original, and it has original lift cab, original buttons, original logic, and still has the single speed. So epic.
And now, down in the basement, there is a secret tunnel. Let's go along it and see where it goes. And at the end of the tunnel there is some more Marryat-Scotts. Yes! Let's go into the first one, which is the residence lift. This lift's really nice. It has an original lift cab and original buttons. Besides, it's also had a VF mod and the logic's been replaced with shitty electric controls. Let's ride it! And now we go to the next lift, which is a swing door Marryat-Scott, and it's completely original. Original buttons, original lift cab, original logic, and original single speed. Yes, let's ride it!
It's another 1960s Marryat-Scott swing door lift, also labelled trades lift. Also looks completely original. Original lift cab, original buttons, original logic, and still has the original single speed.